In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best ways to get your iPhone back if it's lost or stolen. I'll be using a template that I'll send you absolutely free. Just click on the link down in the description below and let's jump into it. Okay, I sent you the template as a photo, so you're just going to open your photos and it looks just like this. You're going to pick that photo right there, and what you want to do is click Edit in the top right. And once you do that, also in the top right, that is the markup key that's highlighted in red. Click on that. From here, what you want to do at the bottom is click on the plus right here, and then you'll see where it says text. We want to click on text. And we're going to make this text yellow, so click on the yellow. It'll match the font, it'll match the color of the rest. And then right here where you see those fonts, I want you to pick Georgia, and then you're also going to make this a little bit bigger, and we can always adjust it in a little bit. But then from there, what we want to do is double click on the text. That'll bring up our keyboard. And from here, you can put in any three letters you want. A, B, C, I, A, D, E, A, F, G. Whatever three letters that you're comfortable with, you can add those. I'm going to double click here for all caps, and I'm going to just put in A, B, C for this video. And we're going to take this text here, click on it, and we're going to move it right where we want. And you can make it a little bit bigger by clicking the font in the bottom left again, and you can make it a little bigger. Make sure and center it. And when you're done with that, what you're going to do is at the bottom right, you're going to click plus again. We're going to click on the text again. And this time, once again in yellow, we're going to click on the font key right here. And we're just going to make that quite a bit smaller. This is going to be your phone number. So you're going to click in the text box and enter your phone number. 123 123 1234. And then from here, you're just going to click on the screen. And from here, we're going to drag this to right under the return immediately. And we want to center that. And once we've done that, now you can go ahead and click. I want to center it better. In the top right, click Done. And in the bottom right, we're going to click Done again. Now from here, on the bottom left, click on that square with the arrow up, share key. We're going to click on that. And now you're going to scroll until you see Use as Wallpaper. We're going to click on Use as Wallpaper. And now we're going to adjust it. We're going to shrink it just a little bit. We're going to move it around to where it fits correctly. And once we've done that, I'll probably have to make my phone number a little smaller. You're going to click Set. And you're going to click Set Lock Screen. And now when I close my phone and close it out, it'll look like this. Hey, if you like this video, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Also hit that thumbs up. If you haven't yet, make sure and go down to the link in the description to get the template that we used in this video. Once again, thanks for watching. Make it a great day.